Kamantri ketenat koi ke jela ke kong ampari neng do kal penpau ia ke jing sehun mensim jurut baka Shillong Medical College ke bala Ngut labun paus nem menta kala ulong habakren menta kesengi kala terik nailu ajar pesan ke kong amperin ke ong baka ke college kan Sdang kelas no menta nem hi bat ke jing Sdang kan long hauni benai nailu ka Shillong Medical College kala ulong den kumbasan paus nem tam baka jela me kala yai kala yo ya ka jong ke jela ia ka ni college la yo i ka jing itu nak National Medical Commission bat on Sdang i ka ni college mita ustem ka ba on sim san phongut ki khna hak ba proportion percent kan ya ka ba sagi nong song snong jang ka jela bat khasan percent pat kan ya ka ba hakari barok we ka kong amprin ka ong ba ka seu komen ru ba don ki doktor hak ni jela ka ba one pai ka ni jela ban trai hak ni medical college kan ikan pelilat ru i doktor nak ni jela ban pentebit susu na kamta ban syakri yagi paj ba ha ka jela ka ong ba umtrang ba du ka Narendra Modi unsawan man play ya ka medical college shen
round of counseling is scheduled from the 26th of September this year, and NMC has given us the clearance and has listed the Shillong Medical College in the All India list of the NMC. So we will not qualify if there was any ambiguity in all of these matters. Year 1, anatomy, physiology, biochem. We have to ensure that faculty from these three main departments are available to teach the courses to the students. And we are at that stage now. Now you want to know how many professors there are? We need actually 8 professors. We already have 16 professors. Sorry, we need 16 professors. We already have 8 to begin the medical college. We need associate professors 23. We have already
20.
20.
Associate is 20.
20 and we already have 17. Assistant professors, we have 25 out of 25 already in position. Senior residents, out of the total of 23, we already have 21. And tutors and demonstrators, we need a total of 15 such experts. We already have 12. And we are now ongoing to strengthen this entire remaining shortfall. Very joyful day for the Department of Health as well as the government of Meghalaya, because we have received information in writing and we have received a copy of the letter of permission sanctioned and notified by the NMC listing the Shillong Medical College as one of the colleges that have been approved by the NMC for functioning from this year's session, which is 25-26. Intake capacity of students is 50. We are now prepared for the starting of this session. We are also pleased to inform the candidates who have a wish and are qualified to apply for these MBBS seats as per the sanction of the government of Meghalaya, alongside with the counselling for the Shillong Medical College. Total number of seats received for the Shillong Medical College stands at 50. However, we are also happy to inform you that Meghalaya continues to get its quota from the pool of government sanctions. 94 number of seats have been allotted to the state of Meghalaya into various institutions, inclusive of institutions like NEGRAMS, like RIMS in Plie. So in total, our students today who have a wish to study and pursue a career in MBBS have a better option. And this is important, a big game changer for the state of Meghalaya. And yes, most importantly, our students now will be totally bounded to function within the state of Meghalaya, thereby automatically also attending to this acute shortage of doctors in our government facilities across the state. The medical college now is also poised to begin the specialization courses, which will be rolled out as and when the medical college progresses forward. So again, we will be lucky that our own doctors can avail a career progression while being in government services.
Allotted.
85%.
Yes.
Since this is a government medical college, as a norm of the NMC, 15% has to go to all India
All
quota.
India pool.
And that is in the letter of LOP also. So 85%, that comes to about 42 seats, will go to Meghalaya.
States, students, indigenous
Yeah.
students of the
Yes.
state of Meghalaya.
Challenges because, as Ma'am has said, it's a brownfield project. We need to make more, hostels, and then most probably next year we'll be taking more students. So it depends. There will be many things. It's a big challenge.
Where are the hostel facilities?
The hostel facilities are there for both the boys and the girls. It's there in Pasture Institute. We are working on it.